let me give you advice. Was that person your friend? Ne? She's going on a date. Give her some advice. You also, you back in your days, you used to go to dates. So give her advice.
Back in my days. Which days are those? When was it?
About 2008 when you just started Discovery.
I was going out on dates. You are so sweet. But I also want to go on dates now. I don't have...
Okay, you can still.
So who must I date?
Sissy will tell you.
Who must I date?
I know her. I think she's gonna say George.
Ah, George is my friend.
I'm just kidding. But George doesn't come on the weekend. Oh, you choose.
I must choose who I want to date.
Yes.
I'm gonna pray about it.
He's a smart man.
A smart man.
And a soccer player.
And why do you want him to be a soccer player?
No, I want him to know soccer, not just.
Oh, he must love soccer. Okay.
Like Daddy, but he must be better than Daddy.
Alright.
Daddy can't play soccer, he's very big.
You see, you can work together. You can love each other. You don't have to be mean. Do you ever see me being mean on my sister? Huh?
When she's naughty.
Hey, guys, sit here, no?
Yes. They're driving too fast. Don't drive like Daddy. Take your... He needs to drive fast. You must learn how to drive a Mercedes Benz if you date him.
Oh.
Oh, he better be rich. No, he must be strong.
He better be
Rich.
rich.
Yeah.
Strong. I like that. Sissy, you are girl power. He better be rich.
And strong. I
And
don't want to get
strong.
hit by a big guy. You must come punch him in the face.
He must be rich and strong.
Strong.
Hey, my daughter, he better be rich.
That's all dumpy. I'll tell my mom to dump him. As long as he doesn't have a girlfriend.
Okay, as long as it doesn't have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
You must only have me.
Yes.
Okay.
If there's a girlfriend
Mm.
and he likes you, you'll be cheating on that girlfriend.
True. True. Very true. What do you know about cheating?
Because I watch Roblox, people cheating on their girlfriends.
Yo.
So there was a boy, so her girlfriend is like Sophia, and there's a girl who gave her sparkles, and then he goes on another date with sparkles.
Run.
You're gonna miss this. Give your friend advice on her date. I'm checking mommy's ear. Mommy?
Huh?
Her earpods.
Yeah, give them to me. So I can call my friend.
Your seatbelt.
Is what?
Your seatbelt.
Is what?
Your seatbelt.
Is what?
That on.
I'll switch it on.
Your seatbelt, I said.